back, and we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers. It's been a while since I've played. Well, no, I played it on my phone this morning. I played it on my phone this morning. Hopefully that didn't turn my video off. Here, let's see. So just to make sure. Okay, still recording, but yeah. I have this game on my phone and I'm actually really good at it. I've actually reached 1,000,000 scores. I had it on my tablet and oh wait. Dang it. I wanted to see if it saves my progress. God, it's so weird playing this on a big screen. What the heck? I pressed jump! Well, swipe. I'm not very used to playing this on a big screen anymore. It's been a long time. On my phone, I actually have the Ninja. These better graphics. What I like about it on my tablet is I don't have to download the update. It automatically does it for me. So that's what I like about it. But gonna get because on my phone it let me sign in with YouTube or email with my it let me sign in with YouTube, but for some reason on my tablet it only lets me sign in with my Facebook, which I don't have a Facebook account. Because YouTube is, in my opinion, the best social website where you can meet other people. And Roblox. But Roblox, I don't count it as a website, I count it as a game. I don't even know if it is a website. I think it might just be a game. Maybe I missed that. I'm trying to get a really high score so I can get a lot of coins so I can get the Ninja back, because the Ninja is very expensive, like 20K. So yeah. It's kind of easier on the big screen because I'm playing on a bigger screen and I can see better. And I have more room for my hands or my thumbs. Some people use their fingers to swipe and all that. I use my thumbs. But yeah, I'm kind of like that. But no, that sounds sick. Let's go ahead and claim my free gift. First of all, let's get my favorite outfit for Jake. Oh, my name is Brody. Wait, wrong one. Yeah. I have this ninja and this one. And I also get a free board. The star board. And with the stars, joy. Collect 200 coins in one run, easy. I've hit the millions. I'm gonna try and get into bronze by today. If not, then you can call me a bad player. Oh, these graphics are so good. Way better than on my phone. I just got back to my house. If you guys watched the videos, I was at Philip's house, or my uncle's house. And already got one mission. I'm gonna get 200 coins in one run. Ten more. And here they are. And how do I even get to the missions? I forgot if you can get anything. If you got like the amount of coins it said, I feel like I'd already almost get the ninja. Wait, no, that was 1600. Okay. It's still a lot, but not too much. This game's pretty addicting. I also like how it's not just like one place. I like how it's like there's like different world tours every week. It's pretty cool because I like seeing the new areas and all that. I have a question. I don't know this. I hope they do. I hope they have. Have they ever done a world tour of Chicago? Oh wait, yes they have. Because the Chicago special. I just now remembered that. I wasn't there for the World Chicago Tour, whatever thing. But Chicago is my favorite city, and Illinois is my favorite state. And basically, am I doing a good commentary, by the way? But basically, I went to Chicago to see my family a couple of months ago, and I'm basically part of the Chicago family, so. But basically, after this run, I'm probably going. But basically, that's why it's like my favorite city, because that's like the family city, and that's also why Illinois is my favorite state. Okay. But yeah, so I just thought I'd make a video. I'm probably gonna make loads of videos today. They're all probably gonna be screen recorded because I find vlogs boring to me. Because I never think of what to do, and with gaming, it's just like, damn, play the game if you want to. That's why I named my channel Brody Gaming. I knew I was gonna have to do vlogs at first until I got an actual screen recorder, which I do now. And then, basically, my first screen recorded video was a Power Rangers Legacy Wars one, and basically, I'm already trying to get 1 million.
Come on, let's ride the extreme fruity flavor beer combo. What's this? 10.
I tried it and I didn't even know that it worked. And I uploaded the video like 4 months after I even made it, so that's why I sound like unconfident, because I mean, I probably sound unconfident in this, but in real life, well, you know, like where I am right now. Basically, I'm actually sounding really confident. It's just because I don't have a mic, so some of you guys can't even. Some of you guys probably can't even hear me. But I eventually do want to get a mic, and I'm just trying to get 1 million. But yeah, I can tell I'm doing a little bit better on commentary. I think that's what it's called. So yeah, I always wanted to be a YouTuber, and I thought I'd never become one, but hey, look at me now. Whoa! I was about to say. 20K. Oh, good lord. If I could at least get silver, I would be really happy. Which, on my phone, I'm actually in silver, so I'm happy. What? Ramen? But I have to end it right here, and I will see you guys later. I'll do a part 2 on this.
But today you're going to do it, we need to do a live thing.